Hey guys, welcome back. I am technical guru Dipak. I am back again with another technical video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Epson L805 print machine. This machine has all error LED light blinking. Let's start. Disconnect all cables from the machine. Open top cover. And top side screw and back side screw. And also, don't forget to open this inside screw. After removing all screw, now easily take off cover. Now take out this gear and check if there is any jam or breakage. Now loosen this screw a little bit. Now, connect power and turn on the machine. If still problem persist, now close this gear carefully and properly. Clean this film carefully with alcohol-based tissue. Take out this sensor. Take out this sensor and clean the dust. Use soft cleaning brush for this job, otherwise sensor may damage. Now clean, carefully, this plastic wheel, with clean hand and soft alcohol-based tissue. Beware that alcohol should be in small quantity. Attach sensor to the right place. Now, time to test machine, check if our problem is solved or not. Look, print head is moving smoothly. Let's try a test print. Awesome! Problem is completely solved.
Done.
Let's assemble machine. See? All job is done. Now final test. Hey, look, we are so lucky, our problem is solved.
Finally done.
Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. Bye bye.